Gene that controls cellular aging and longevity discovered. The international research team led by Professor Marco Sandri from Padua discovers the role of the Mytho gene on the quality of life. Study published in the Journal of Clinical Investigation. Padua, June 19, 2024. A group of researchers led by Professor Marco Sandri, professor at the Department of Biomedical Sciences of the University of Padua and principal investigator of the Veneto Institute of Molecular Medicine, has identified and characterized a new gene that controls cellular aging and longevity. The identification of this new gene, conducted in collaboration with Professor Eva Trevisan, a geneticist at the Department of Women's and Children's Health at the University of Padua, is the result of 9 years of work involving several researchers such as Professor Marco Sandri, an internationally renowned member of prestigious national and international research institutes, and was published in the prestigious translational research medical journal Journal of Clinical Investigation. The study was partly funded by a PNRR action in the Partnership on Aging, called AGE-IT, Aging Well in an Aging Society, which allowed the creation of a national network of researchers studying this biological process. It all started with a computer science search to identify potential genes, still unknown, in the human genome that could be relevant to the mechanisms that control the quality of proteins and organelles, commented Anais Franco Romero, who, together with Valeria Morbidoni, was the co-lead author of the research work. Among the various candidates, the team focused on a gene that stood out for being extremely conserved among different animal species, from humans to worms, called Mytho. Through genetic manipulation experiments, the group has shown that its inhibition causes premature cellular senescence, the stage at which cells stop replicating, and a shortening of life in Caenorhabditis elegans, an animal model used by researchers to study aging, while its activation improves quality of life and allows for healthy aging. The study also characterized the molecular mechanisms and discovered that this gene regulates the system, called autophagy, which allows the removal of damaged proteins and organelles, improving cellular homeostasis. After years of studies, we have come to know something about our genome, but the function of most of our genetic code is still unknown, underlines Professor Marco Sandri. An example are the genes that code for proteins, of which more than 5,000 out of a total of 20,000 are completely unknown. For this reason, in recent years we have employed resources and energy to characterize this unknown world of our DNA. The Mytho gene is essential for the autophagy process, which allows cells to eliminate damaged molecules and structures, keeping them young and functional. Experiments have shown that turning off the Mytho gene accelerates cellular aging, while its activation slows it down. Discovery of Mytho gene opens new avenues for development of anti-aging therapies. Gene therapies. Using techniques such as CRISPR-Cas to activate the Mytho gene in human cells. Drugs and supplements. Develop drugs that mimic the effect of the Mytho gene on autophagy. Cell therapies. Using stem cells modified to express the Mytho gene and regenerate damaged tissue. Nutrition plays a crucial role in longevity. Here are some tips. Mediterranean diet. Rich in olive oil, fish, fruit and vegetables. Calorie restriction. Moderate calorie restriction may increase lifespan. Superfoods. Foods like berries, nuts and green tea are known for their health benefits. In conclusion, the discovery of the Mytho gene represents a significant step forward in longevity research. With further study and development, we may see new therapies that not only prolong life, but also improve the quality of life in old age. Thanks for watching the video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel to stay updated on the latest scientific discoveries. Your subscription will help us improve our work. See you soon.